Hello everyone, let's wash each car together and then take them out. Wow, there's a big green tanker truck.
Do your best.
The roller tanker truck is quite impressive.
Keep it up.
The orange construction truck is ready for action.
You're doing a good job.
The ladder crane truck is ready to lift and reach.
Đâu là anh kêu
The excavator is ready to dig. It's used for digging and moving large amounts of earth and debris.
This one.
Yes, the green excavator is quite impressive. The police car is ready to patrol the streets. Oh, I found a red dump truck. Look at that huge oil tanker, guys. There are many cute little cars scattered around everywhere. Have you seen the green military vehicle?
Oh, yes. Here we go. No.
Did you see the blue truck?
Oh, no. Help. Help me. Help. Okie dokie. Go. Let's go. Oh, yeah.
Well done.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
This is the orange oil tanker. Is the electric repair truck ready?
All right.
A red taxi is waiting at the curb.
Oh, yes. And away we go.
Have you seen the red water tank? Wow, there are so many vehicles here. Guys,
Help me! Okie dokie. Here we go! Go, 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 go! Hey, hey, you! Go, 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 go!
have you seen the orange helicopter? The yellow bulldozer is clearing the construction site.
Help! Help me! Help! Oh my God!
The small crane truck is lifting materials onto the rooftop.
Hey, hey, you!
The missile transporter truck is carrying multiple missiles. I found a horse over here. The front part of the container truck is used for hauling goods.
Here we go! Go, 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 go!
The tiny little yellow oil tanker is adorable. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.
Ba, 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 ba.